Imagine a college classroom where students sit passively, absorbing information without interaction. This traditional approach often limits engagement and stifles creativity. But what if we could transform this environment into a dynamic hub of learning? Welcome to our workshop on active learning methodologies in higher education. Here, we explore innovative strategies that empower students and invigorate teaching. Picture a classroom where students collaborate, discuss, and engage in problem-solving activities guided by their professors. This is active learning in action. By shifting from passive to active learning, professors can foster deeper understanding and critical thinking skills in their students. The impact is profound. Increased student engagement, improved academic performance, and a more enriching educational experience. Join us as we delve into these methodologies designed to revolutionize your teaching approach and enhance student outcomes. Whether you're a seasoned educator or new to these concepts, our workshop offers valuable insights and practical tools to implement active learning in your classroom. Together, let's inspire a new generation of learners. Our invitation for you is to be part of the change in higher education.